Hi everyone. As an Irishman, if someone is talking about me, I cannot maintain eye contact. I have to look down. It's just like, it's built into my blood, which is why I was kind of, it's just rule. Good practice. So what I want to do today is talk about Google Shopping as a whole, because as some of the people who maybe came to my talk yesterday, I think most of the stuff talked about for Google Shopping is total hogwash. And we have a particular way, and there's been an evolution in the way most people are approaching Google Shopping, but a lot of people still haven't kind of copped on. Quick thing about us, we're a kind of a PPC tool platform, and we have some clients like TM Lewin and Prezzo and Betfair who we run the platform for on their behalf, and some people who use our platform, and we get good results because we try and focus on what we think matters. So, quick run through, search versus shopping. So paid search is the all reliable. It's based on search terms, and the way you get at search terms is by keywords, or as I call them, keyword matching logics, which is basically the logic you use to get to particular search terms. Shopping is a completely and utterly different ballgame and operates in a totally different way. The way it ultimately happens is a search query occurs. You have uploaded products through a Google feed. Google analyzes the lines and characteristics of those products in that feed and decides whether or not a search term matches with the product. And what's awesome about this system as a whole is that most people have got their head around keywords, although not everyone, I'm sure, as you found out in your career. But so few people understand the system that if you get good at it, you can get ludicrously good results. And I'll just jump ahead to explain what I consider ludicrously good results. This is TM Lewin. This is someone searching for blue double cuff men's shirts. And that is them getting the first 6 Google Shopping slots. And if you ever want to have fun and go on to Ad Preview and search for any combination of any shirt, you will find literally the exact same thing. So because people don't understand how it works, if you can get your head around getting it working, you can get a huge competitive advantage, because it's a little more technical than paid search, which just blocks a whole host of people getting to it. So if you put in the effort to get your head around it, you're flying. So there's one big shopping strategy that dominates the industry, and there's a couple of platforms even that have committed to this strategy, and it's what I call a product-driven strategy. It's based on the idea that each product or each ad group which has one product in it should have its own bid. That is the structure of how you should approach Google Shopping on a product level strategy. And you bid on a specific product, and with any search terms that Google decides is appropriate to them. Now, you might do some negativing and decide, oh, well, that word isn't what we want, blah, blah, blah. But ultimately, at its core, it's driven by the idea of a product. And for me, if you emulated that strategy in traditional search, everyone would think you're crazy. So let's say you have a product which is a blue slim fit shirt. That would lead to search terms including shirts, blue shirts, slim fit shirts, and blue slim fit shirts, all appearing for that product or ad group. They would all be appearing for that thing. And if I said to you, hey guys, I built a campaign with keywords, and I have these 4 search terms, and I'm just on plush shirts, and I've never written any other ad groups like blue shirts or slim fit shirts, everyone would be like, you've got a big opportunity there to improve your keyword structure and write better ads and bid better. But with shopping, people have not taken that approach. And it leads to basically very generic bids on all search terms, which means you can never bid high on the terms that matter. And if you look at this example, the reason why we're in position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is because we know this search term is good, high converting, and therefore we're bidding 10 times what everyone else is bidding. Because they can't just bid on this search term. They have to bid on this search term and shirts, and blue shirts, and slim fit shirts. They can't decide, actually, this search term I want a 10 quid bid on, which is what we'd all